Financial institutions are in a race against time. They strive to provide the absolute best customer experience and make loan servicing near perfection. Introducing FinnOne Neo Loan Management System, a cutting-edge solution that speeds up loan management by automating and streamlining various processes. It ensures seamless end-to-end journeys with STPs, faster GTM, paperless loan servicing, provides personalized offerings, improves risk management, enhances customer experiences, and ultimately boosts operational efficiency while reducing costs. This dynamic platform enables cost-effective operations with bulk uploads and downloads, offering a comprehensive suite of tools and 120+ APIs that empower you to offer contactless processes and anytime, anywhere business reach. Plus, it effortlessly manages intricate aspects of loan services. Integrated accounting? Check. Tailored repayment options? Check. Late payment penalties, rescheduling, disbursals, cancellations, and restructuring? Check, 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 and check. Our system ensures round-the-clock availability even during EOD, EOM processes, providing your customers the freedom to interact with your business effortlessly 24/7. It doesn't stop at efficiency. Its mobile solution, FinnOne Neo M-Serve, and web platform FinnOne Neo E-Serve put loan servicing in your customer's pocket. Engage with customers where they are on their terms 24/7. FinnOne Neo empowers customers to run simulations, peek into their financial future, update changes real-time, and make informed choices. Imagine giving a boost to the profit margins with value-added products, VAP, like insurance, additional covers, BNPL, and additional financing. Its omni-channel support and self-service capability make loan servicing a breeze while keeping user engagement at its peak. With FinnOne Neo LMS, ensure loan management servicing at the speed of now.